Ito guys, so tingnan nyo. Tinanim ko last December and look, it's already budding. Probably in 3 days, mamumulaklak at bubukad ang bulaklak. Isn't it pretty? Ito guys, oh, tinatapon lang nila sa ulan. My gosh. Oh my goodness, may 2 bikes pa doon, oh. Parang gusto ko ito. Lalagyan ko ito ng flower. Tapos may 2 pang chairs doon. Kaya lang, tapos may plastic pa na chair dito. Oh my goodness, somebody stop me. Ito yung gusto ko kasi lalagyan ko yan ng flower. Yung mataas ba na flower. Babalikan kita mamaya, okay? Hi, dinala ni Dan yung ladder niya. Kaya ito na lang yung steps yung gagamitin ko. Kaso lang, hindi ko maabot yung dun sa taas, oh. Hindi ko talaga maabot, kaya as usual, si Carpentera, paparaan-paraan lang yan. Kaya gagamitin ko na lang yung balde na yan. Kasi wala naman yung sulod. So, gagamitin ko yan para medyo tumaas ako. Sana maabot ko yung duno. So, as makita nyo, different yung color dyan. Green siya. Tapos, dito is white. Dapat green din bandang dito. Kaya lang, huli na nung natuklasan ko. Green yung ginamit namin dito. Kasi, ito po, hindi siya backer board. But, this is a anti-moisture na drywall. So, ito is just a regular drywall. Ito, yan. May anti-moisture drywall yan. So, kasi ito washer and dryer dito Kasi pag may leak sa dyan sa hose dyan, di mababasa. So, hindi siya masyadong ma-saturated ng tubig kasi anti-moisture siya. So, yan po. Para ako may halo. Actually, hindi po yan halo. Para akong Santa ba? Santa Santita, pero hindi po yan yellow. Hindi po yan halo. Yan po ay tadang! Yan. My night light. So, sana hindi ako mahulog dyan sa aking pag-akyat ko dyan sa balde. Wala kasi akong ladder, but gusto ko na talaga itong matapos ang area na ito para makastart na ako ng aking pintura, and then I just want this area to be finished. So, stay tuned. Pag mahulog ako dito, patay. Hindi naman patay. Buhay. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, steady ka lang dyan, ha? Steady ka lang dyan, balde. Huwag kang Oh, my gosh, huwag kang kukurog-kurog dyan, Marilyn. Huwag kang mahulog. Balde, stay put ka lang dyan. Come on. Oh, okie-dokie. Hi.
Parang nanginginig yung ko. Yung paa ko, buti na lang hindi niyo nakita yung balde na tinatapakan ko. Nanginginig ako. Oh Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. Correct! Yeah. Can you see me? Can you watch me?
No, I got
Come here really quick.
I got 25 nails to bring in.
Yeah, just really quick, please.
We couldn't fit in your wall drive, sorry. I couldn't fit in your wall drive.
Why not? I'm afraid I would fall in here.
Oh my gosh, I didn't realize. Don't. My. To the viewers, you see why I put up what I put up with?
Huh?
I said to the viewers, you see what I put up with?
What?
I didn't realize you're standing on that. Oh my goodness.
Can you take video? Can you just take video so they will know what I'm going through right now?
Take video with your camera?
Yeah, going away so that they will see my feet.
There. Look at that. Not very safe. Alright.
I couldn't reach. That's why.
Okay, we gotta bring all this.
Come on.
Well. Ooh. There. Okay, now the problem is going down.
Lord, can you hold my chair because I might flip out?
Yes. My goodness, you
I need
gotta.
to balance myself. How did I get myself into this?
I do not know, but you gotta. There's your. Okay, hold on. All right, you're on that step.
No, my back, my back.
Hallelujah. Daming insulation. So, hi, Dan. There's a Superman there together with his assistant, my husband. So that is Batman and Robin.
Wow, that's a lot. How many pieces did you get? Oh gosh, I forgot to tell you, Corey, to buy like a facial mask because you couldn't be installing this without a mask.
How many did we get? 25.
Just 25 and it's already filled.
Kita ko sa inyo ang different kinds of insulation. Ito po yung, yan, R19. Yan ay para sa bubong, yung para sa labas na bubong. Tapos itong R13, kita nyo mas maliit. Because yan po yung sa mga bedrooms dito sa loob ng bahay. Pero pag sa towards the back, yung dito, yan, R19 yung ginagamit dyan. Kasi mas, siya, exposed siya papuntang labas. And talking about labas, guys, look at our, hallelujah. Hey neighbors, how are you neighbors?
Look at this, huh?
Yeah. Drywalls all over here. And then ceiling also. Ceiling. And then where did you come from?
Hamilton.
Mexico?
Hamilton.
Where?
Hamilton.
What's that?
Hamilton.
Oh, Hamilton. But are you from Mexico or from?
Mexico.
Okay. I want to go to Cancun.
Cancun?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, vacation in El Cancun. Yeah, in La Playa, swimming.
Nada?
Yeah.
Nada?
So yeah, and then ceiling, and then also this one over here, and then here the ceiling.
Okay, this is driver inside or
Huh?
driver first?
No.
No, nothing.
And then over here. Do you have like amigos o trabajante, compañero to trabajo here? No friends. Do you have friends? Oh, is that your friend?
Yes.
Hola, friend. Hola, mi amigo. So, huh? Okay, love you. Do you have letratos to trabajo and picture? Do you have picture?
Yes.
Other work, your work?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Yes.
How long have you been doing this? How many años to trabajo?
Maybe 8 years.
8 years? Oh, cool. Hola.
Okay. How many feet here? Maybe.
12? I don't know.
Let me see. You know how to measure?
I don't have what?
The measures?
Tape measure?
Yes.
I have one here. Muy alto?
Probably it's 12 cuadrados.
Here's our backyard. Tatlo na yung mga contractors namin na hinire namin or
hininga namin ng estimate. So, tingnan natin kung sino yung napakababa na magbigay ng magandang presyo. Then, siya yung kukunin namin. Hindi pa ako makatapos dito. Nandito na yung mortar ko. Tapos, mamasahan ko dyan. Tapos, hintay ng 3 araw para mag-totally cure. And then, ilagay itong, what do you call this one? Water membrane. Tapos, mamasahan na naman ng second layer ng mortar. At dapat islanting siya. And dapat may buslot doon, may butas para sa drainage. And then, after that, wait another 3 days before i-install itong mga tiles, stone tiles. Kaya lang, may malamig. This week and next week.
Hi! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. Ito po si Marilyn again. It's another day. Yung kaibigan yung carpentera dito sa America. Oh, very good. There's the USPS. Kasi yung kapitbahay namin doon sa kabila yung construction, pinadala niya ako ng flowers, bouquet of flowers last week. Tapos hindi uso dito kahit na silingan lang kayo, hindi uso dito na ilalagay mo yung thank you card. Sumulat ako ng thank you sa thank you card, of course. Tapos hindi uso dito sa Amerika na yung card mo ilalagay mo sa kanilang mailbox kahit na next door neighbor pa. So kailangan mo talagang stamp tapos mail mo through regular snail mail. So yun, so kahapon ko nilagay doon para ready pick up ng United Postal Services. Ooh, there is an ambulance going on. Hope everybody's doing okay. But anyway, so yun, kahapon nilagay ko yung thank you card ko doon sa aming para i-pick up ng United States Postal Services. Na sila, naka-pick up na sila before I placed my letter. So yun, ngayon nakita ko yung USPS. So sana damputin nila yung ko. But anyway, right now naka-make up ako, guys. Mga kaunti lang naman kasi mag-meet kami, hopefully. So pasensya na sa mga kalat dyan sa likod kasi alam niya naman yung karpentera na sakinan niya ay ginagamit din niya sa kanyang pagkakarpentera. But anyway, kakahiya naman doon, pero di bali na. So naka-make up tayo ng konti ngayon kasi yung best friend ni Corey, best man niya sa kasal namin, right, Board? He was our best man. And your best man actually. And nandito sila, galing silang Chicago, tapos pumunta sila, did they go to Tennessee? Travel sila Tennessee para magbakasyon, and then they're dropping by Ohio today. So magdi-dinner sila ni Corey, and who knows kung si John lang yung magdi-dinner, then hindi ako sasama. Pero pag kasama yung mga bata at saka asawa niya, then I have to go. So make up din tayo pag may time kasi baka kalain nila na tayo parang aswang tayo, walang panuklay, walang pang makeup. So minsan din magpapaglamour din tayo, di ba? Glamour, yan na yung glamour ko, simple lang But anyway, so pakita ko sa inyo mamaya, hopefully they will be okay kasi mga tao dito very private. We'll go to kuha muna kami ng gifts for the kids, and then bili kami ng mga materyales para sa aming bahay para magkarpentera ako while waiting. Di ba, multitasking, naka-makeup na karpentera pa while waiting sa aming mga kaibigan. So stay tuned. Do you think Bella would love this for her? Bella is 12 years old, so this would be nice decoration figurine for her bedroom.
Shoot, you know what? Sorry. This person's...
Ito yung para sa batang lalaki. Yan. Tapos may books pa sila, so hopefully they will like it. So, ito na yung panghuling gifts namin sa kanila. Ayan. Another devotional. The other one is for the boy. Pangalan pala niya is William, hindi Charles. So, I hope they would love our gifts for them. Grabing baha dito guys, oh. Tingnan nyo.
What's that?
That's a field. I'm recording, tapos nagiging lake kasi grabe ang ulan dito. Oh my God. Believe it or not, as far as the eyes can see. Nagiging basakan siya instead na field yan. My goodness.
William.
You're going to your... Where's the bird? Oh, there it is.
That's a really big lake.
Uwak. Yan yung mga friends namin. Classmate yan ni Cory ng college. Tapos may mga anak na, may asawa na.